Today it's my pleasure to make a very special announcement with regards to the Fiji International event. I'm happy to announce that the Fiji International has joined forces with SmartLab to offer free health checks at the upcoming golf tournament to be held at Ngatandola Bay Golf Championship Golf Course from the 6th to the 9th of October. It's about 3 weeks away, and we're excited, and we welcome more partners on board, and like to commend at this time Smart Labs also for supporting this wonderful initiative. Smart Labs has been around in Fiji, ladies and gentlemen, for about a year, and they specialize in rapid response NCD screening lab tests, and I'm sure the Minister for Health will explain a little bit more about that. And it's dedicated to the prevention of NCDs in Fiji. We're quite fortunate to have Smart Lab come up and set up in Ngatandola and provide free health checks on the site during the Fiji International Tournament in October. This great initiative by everyone, especially when we can use the Fiji International and golf to address and create awareness on the issues such as NCDs. And I hope that many Fijians will not miss the chance to get their free medical checkups that will be available throughout the international tournament. Golf, ladies and gentlemen, is also a perfect platform for such to promote healthy lifestyle and healthy living. It's a sport that can be played by everybody, and irrespective of age, gender, or background. And once again, thank you to Smart Labs. We're looking forward to the tournament in October. Thank you.
It's a real pleasure for the Ministry of Health and Medical Services to be here. To be, just a few weeks ago, we were celebrating the fact that we won a gold medal in Rio, the best in the world in something. That's something that we're proud of, a record that we're proud of. We have other records in this country that we're not proud of, and one of that is the record that we have in terms of NCDs. We are amongst the worst in the world, not just here in Fiji, but in the Pacific as a whole. We are raising the most obese generation ever in this country. The impact of this will be felt in a decade's time and in 2 decades' time. And right now, if we go to our hospitals, it is inundated with people that have been affected by the impact of non-communicable diseases. Heart disease, diabetes, strokes, all of these things are killing our people at a rapid rate. And we know that the way forward in this country is to focus on prevention. And that's why I'm very glad of this initiative. The focus has to be on prevention. We need to have a focus on keeping the healthy people in this country healthy. How do we do that? We make sure that they cut down their smoking, they start eating the right food, they don't drink too much alcohol, and they start moving their bodies. That's why golf is important, that's why this is important, and it's also important for people to make an impact on their health, is to understand what their status is. If you don't understand your status, you can't make a move. And that's why this screening is absolutely fantastic. You have an opportunity to watch international class sports people plying their trade here in Fiji, and at the same time you have an opportunity to get your health checked and assessed, and you're given advice on what your status is. Then it's very important for everybody in this country to do something with that advice. A lot of people get the advice and they sit on it, they still get sick. So I'm very, very grateful that we have this partnership, that people have the opportunity to watch an international sporting event and at the same time get their health checked, get some advice, and hopefully that'll be something that they can do something about. And I think that what we have here is an example of the kinds of things that we need to do to promote Fiji and also at the same time to enhance the health of this country. It is done through collaboration between the private sector, a government ministry, and also organizers of events like this. And I think this is something that we need to see right across the country. So I congratulate the ministry, congratulate Smart Labs, and also Fiji International for this exercise in partnership. I know it's going to have a great impact, and I encourage everybody that will be there for the tournament to make sure to turn up, get yourself checked, and do something with what you find out. And all the best for the Fiji International this year. Thank you.
Yes, health and sports are directly linked, and I'm very happy to see that the Fiji International is inviting local sports professionals and towards some of the world best professional golfers to get their levels checked at the same time. The Fiji International is ticking a lot of boxes dramatically, and we have seen there's a school golf program growing from years to years. We have one in Deumba next week, where we have 2,500 primary school students, as well as to start this Golf Go program. This is a roadshow which is going to be in Pacifica in Nabua, and it would be great for this for the event when small primary school students start taking sports. Yes, developing sports domestically is very important to sustainably, and this is exactly what the Fiji international team has been working hard and hands-on. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the organizer and also SMART for this opportunity. To add else on this initiative to the tournament is a brilliant idea, as I have stated before, and I would like to commend everyone involved. And then lastly, sports and physical activity can make a sustainable contribution to the well-being of a developing country such as Fiji, and exercise, physical activity, as we have heard from the Minister of Health, contribute to have been used in the treatment and rehabilitation of open wound, communicable disease and non-communicable disease. I had an experience, a personal experience, when I had a stem wound back in 1992, and this had a rehab with my doctor. Have to make exercise so that it helps rehab the open wound altogether. So I think this is a great idea, and as has been alluded by the Minister of Health, that this is an opportunity to have medical check at the same time. So I thank the Honourable Minister for this invitation, and also SMART Care and the organizer of the tournament. Thank you very much.